Do you come home from work exhausted, but you're still trying to serve a healthy, nutritious dinner? I have a super easy, super quick recipe for you that will take you less than 30 minutes of work, and it's absolutely delicious. Welcome to New Heirloom Kitchen. My name is Ava, and I will show you how to make seared salmon fillets with roasted asparagus. Trim all of the asparagus by cutting off the hard part of the stem. Spread the shoots out on a baking sheet and add a drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Bake at 350 for 30 minutes. Cut the salmon fillet with a very sharp knife. Add salt and pepper. Season with the zest of half a lemon. Rub the salmon with fresh garlic. Place the fillet into a container. Pour the juice of 2 lemons over the fish. Flip the fillet over and place them face down into the bowl. The salmon will marinate for half an hour, so pour yourself a glass of wine, watch some TV, or walk the dog. Prepare a frying pan and set the heat to medium-high. Add olive oil to the pan. Place the salmon fillets in it face down. Cook them like this for 4 minutes, then flip the salmon over very gently. Cover the pan and cook the fish for another 4 minutes. Plate and serve the salmon immediately with some lemon. If you enjoyed this recipe, please help the channel by giving the video a like, and if you want to come along for the ride, hit the subscribe button. I would love to hear what you think about this recipe, so please leave me a comment below. I will see you next time.